Hi, this is Ryan with Video Conference Gear. Today I'm going to show you distance learning kit number 1. So we've been deploying distance learning room systems for Zoom rooms since about 2015 and some of the first beta setups out there. And we've learned what works and what doesn't work. And really we want a simple, ease of use experience for the user. And that's where I feel the Zoom room gives that best, right? We've had, as one of my distance learning managers said, their problem childs on traditional platforms went away once they went to Zoom rooms because all they do is walk into the classroom, touch the iPad and go. But what is the right equipment to give you that, the right room, right experience for the students within the room and also the far end? So first, let's kind of jump into the pieces and components to the system, right? So we run a Dell PC as the center of our Zoom room. And this is this PC is powerful enough to handle up to 3 displays. And through the back-end Zoom room settings, we can adjust how we like our displays to lay out, whether we want gallery view, how things show with different content and things there. So a lot of times we like to have 2 displays in the front of the room, as well as kind of running a separate monitor to the back of the room that kind of gives that teacher that confidence display as she needs to. And sometimes even run that 3rd display right to a podium type display as well. Next we kind of go with is the Narita Sound Bar. And we have a couple ways to do this one, whether it's the single or dual. And so the HDL 300 is a unique sound bar. The single unit will handle a room up to 25 by 25 square feet, while the dual system will handle a 50 by 30 square foot room. And as Narita says, it gives you virtual microphones. And honestly, anytime somebody comes to us asking for wireless mics, we recommend going to the Narita because it just hugs the wall and done. And both sound bars only need a single Cat 6 cable run to them, so we can keep all the equipment hidden behind the displays or in a credenza up in front of the room. Our other favorite item is the AverCam 520. Right now we're on the new Cam 520 Pro, which is the 2nd generation, but it kept the same great optics and good price. So it's been one of our favorites of where to go with for different quality. Even though it's a 1080p camera, I still feel this shows better than most 4K cameras on the things out there on the market, but it also handles lighting within rooms, right? When we have outside windows and how to handle the backlight. So the Cam 520, in this distance learning room kit, we have 2 cameras, a front and a back camera. We can also kind of make some modifications to this kit and have the camera even on the side of the room if we want to have kind of something that jumps back and forth between students and the instructors. So all these kits in distance learning and even all of our Zoom room kits are customizable. Chat with us and we'll hop on a Zoom call and get things rolling correctly for you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you.